Is your WhatsApp stuck on connecting, with messages that never send? This video shows you every fix that actually works in order, from the simplest to the most thorough. Try each fix, then test your messages.
First, confirm that your internet is really working. Open any browser and load a simple website. If pages fail to load, restart your router or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and try moving to a better spot. If the internet works but WhatsApp still says connecting, move to the next fix.
Next, toggle airplane mode. Open the quick settings panel, turn airplane mode on, wait 30 seconds, then turn it off. This resets the network connection and usually clears the stuck state.
Restart your phone. A restart refreshes all network services. On Android, press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. On iPhone, hold the side button with a volume button, drag the slider to power off, then turn it back on. If your iPhone is unresponsive, press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears.
Force close WhatsApp, then open it again. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then WhatsApp, and tap Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and pause, then swipe the WhatsApp card away. Now reopen the app.
Check your phone's date and time. WhatsApp refuses to connect when the clock is wrong. On Android, go to Settings, then System, then Date and Time, and turn on Set Time automatically. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, then Date and Time, and turn on Set automatically. If you see the message, your phone date is inaccurate. Adjust your clock and try again. This is the fix.
Turn off data saver and low data mode. These features restrict background data, so WhatsApp cannot stay connected. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, then Data Saver and switch it off. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, then Cellular Data Options, and turn off low data mode. You can also allow WhatsApp to use data freely, even when Data Saver is on. Allow background data for WhatsApp. On Android, open Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, then Mobile Data and Wi-Fi, and turn on background data. On iPhone, go to Settings General, then Background App Refresh, and make sure WhatsApp is enabled. Also, confirm the WhatsApp toggle is on under Settings Cellular.
Disable battery saving modes. Battery saver and low power mode can cut WhatsApp's background connection. On Android, open Settings, then Battery, and turn off battery saver. On iPhone, open Settings, then Battery, and turn off low power mode. On Android, you can also open WhatsApp's app info, tap Battery, and choose Unrestricted.
If you use a VPN, an ad blocker, or a firewall, it may be blocking WhatsApp. Try disconnecting the VPN and testing again, or switch to a different server. WhatsApp also has a built-in proxy. Open the Chats tab, tap the three-dot menu, go to Settings, Storage and Data, then Proxy and choose Set up Proxy.
Clear WhatsApp's cache. On Android, open Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Your chats are safe. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap WhatsApp, then tap Offload App. This keeps your data but refreshes the app. Then tap Reinstall App. Update WhatsApp and your operating system. Outdated versions are a common cause of connection problems. Check the Google Play Store or the App Store for updates, and install any available system update. Note that from late 2026, WhatsApp requires Android 6 or iOS 15.5, so an old system version can block the app entirely.
Sometimes the problem is not on your phone at all. Check if WhatsApp servers are down by visiting a status website such as Down Detector. If an outage is reported, wait 30 to 60 minutes and try again.
Check whether your account was banned. If you see the message, this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. Your account is restricted. A temporary ban shows a countdown timer, so wait until it ends. A permanent ban shows a request a review button where you can appeal. always use the official WhatsApp app to avoid bans.
Reset your network settings. This clears hidden network problems, but it also forgets saved Wi-Fi passwords. On iPhone, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On Android, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth.
The most thorough fix is to reinstall WhatsApp. First, back up your chats. Open WhatsApp settings, tap Chats, then Chat Backup, and tap Backup. Then, uninstall the app. Reinstall it from your App Store, verify your number, and restore the backup. Do not interrupt the restore.
Here's what causes this problem. In short, most cases come from a weak internet connection, data or battery saving modes, an outdated app, or a wrong system clock. Less often, a VPN, a server outage, or a banned account is responsible. Now you can recognize the cause and pick the right fix.
That is everything you need to fix WhatsApp stuck on connecting. Start with the simplest fix and work your way down. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.